Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I am Atala Noval Ibrahim. You can call me Atala. I am a student at BSU University and my major is Information System. And my name 19 24 15 85. And my class 19.1b.07. And now I want to explain about question words or question signs. First of all, one form of signs in English is question words or question signs. As the name implies, the signs functions to ask something. If an interrogative sign has a main verb, usually the interrogative sign must be accompanied by a question word or question word. There are 9 question words that can be found in English, namely what, where, when, why, which, whose, who, whom, and how are known as XW plus 1H. And to make it clear, next we will discuss the 9 question words on one by one. Point number 1, what? What is used to ask about an object or thing? Here are some examples of its use. What is your name? What did your mom cook yesterday? What do you do on the weekend? What will they wear tomorrow? And next, apart from that, we can also make interrogative signs like the one below by putting an object or noun after what. What time is it? What day is it? What kind of music do you like? What book did you buy yesterday? And next, we can also make interrogative signs without including auxiliary by putting the verb after what. Examples: what ails you? What makes the story interesting? What brings you here? Okay, and next, point number 2, where. Where is used to ask about a place. Here are some examples of its use. Where do you live? Where do you study? Where is the girl at? Where are you going? And where have you been? Okay, and next. Point number 3, when. When is used to ask for time. Examples of its use are: when is your birthday? When will you come to my house? And when did the accident happen? Okay, and next. Point number 4, why. Why function to ask for a reason or reason. Examples of its use are: why do we go this way? Why does the cat keep snoring? Why is Amanda late? And why did you break the glass? Okay, next. Point number 5, which. Which is used to ask for choice. Examples of use are: which one is your mother? Which car is yours? Which class should I take? Which painting did your father buy? Okay, and next, point number 6, whose. Whose is used to ask about ownership. Examples of its use are: whose phone is this? Whose bag did you bring? And whose number are you calling? And next, point number 7, who. Who is used to ask about people or objects. Here are some examples of signs. Who is that girl? Who is paying for this? Who will go with Anna to the party? And in addition, who can also be directly followed by a verb as in the following example. Who wants to try? Who won the match? And who called? Okay, and next. Point number 8, whom. Just like who, whom also asks about who or a person. However, whom refers to an object, not a doer. Example signs: who is he talking to? Who did you go with last night? And from whom? And next, point number 9, how. How is used to ask many things, starting from the method, condition or quality, news or circumstance, age, quantity, distance, duration, and also frequency. Here are some examples of its use in science. How did you go home? How was the party? How are you doing? How old is your baby? How many books have you read? How much milk should I pour? How far is Surabaya from Jakarta? How long will you spend the holiday? And that's how often do you go swimming? Okay, and yeah, this is from me, and thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.